everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today only I'm here, Samip is not there. And actually my teammates has planned for team lunch, so I'm going there today and I thought let's vlog. We are going to the restaurant named Barkaas. It's in Marathahalli, very nearby my place. So let's go. I just reached now. Everybody came already. I'm the one who is only late.
Happy anniversary! Sony, come on. Whatever you want, have it.
Sure.
Whatever you
What
want.
are all these?
This is chicken,
That?
fish, mutton, chicken, fish, mutton, chicken. Alfam chicken. This is steak. Chicken steak.
Chicken steak. This is a mix Mandi.
This is. Oh my god.
Bismillah.
Bismillah.
ये हाथ हटाओ रे.
Hi Sandra. Have.
₹60 no, it's natural. ये fish है क्या है?
ये मटन है, चिकन है वो. चिकन है. हाँ.
खाओ पहले, then you'll come to know.
This
Eat
is
first,
fish.
then you'll come to.
This is fish.
Which one is fish?
कौन है?
Have it.
फिर कैसा है? अच्छा है, मस्त.
टेस्ट करके बताओ कैसे.
हाँ, मैं दिखाऊंगी. How is it, Sheikh?
Sheikh will decide it.
Sheikh is full busy in eating biryani.
Now we started. Good man.
Sunday eat? I'll have after some time.
Video को समझ रहा है.
One Shanti, finish it. ये निकाल दे मेरा. आराम से बातें करते करते खाएंगे ना, तो एक सिर्फ कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके खाएंगे खत्म होगा. थोड़ा शेफ को चिढ़ा दिए. संध्या टिश्यू दे.
और भी चाहिए? एक और लाऊं?
पहले खत्म करने दो, उसके बाद देखेंगे.
ठीक है. चलो. Sleepy.
बारिश आने वाली है. सोनी
After eating so much, now they are sleepy. We are done with our lunch. As you can see, my lipstick is gone, and these guys are teasing me. Now we'll go. Bye. Say bye, everybody. Bye. Small moments which we cherish, which we leave, are the most precious one. Get together may look like just a normal day, but this day made our bond more stronger. Time passes by, but these little moments will be forever with us in our hearts. May this bond last forever and ever in our life. Remember to cherish, enjoy every